Hi! This training video covers how to log into Literably as a teacher or student if you're not using Clever or Classlink single sign-on. This is the first video in the How to Use Literably portion of this training series. In later videos, we will cover how to use the teacher dashboard and other topics. If your school or district does not use Clever or Classlink for rostering, then you and your students will likely be logging into Literably using one of the methods described in this video. Very importantly, here is the main login page for Literably if you're logging in using this method. We would recommend that you bookmark this page for quick navigation. From this login page, you will see two options: I'm a teacher or I'm a student. As a teacher, you would click on this top button. Next, you would enter your email address as the username and a password that has been assigned to you by your rosterer. If you don't know what your password is, please reach out to the Literably contact at your school. Once you log in, you will see your teacher dashboard. If you click on your email in the top right corner, you have the option to change your password. Now let's take a look at how to log in as a student. From the main login page, click on I'm a student. From here, students have two options. If your roster has assigned unique usernames and passwords to students, they can enter those two things and log in. If your roster did not upload usernames and passwords for your students, or you don't know whether they did, your students can enter their teacher's email in the top box and then select their name from the drop-down menu that appears. Please make sure that the teacher email is spelled correctly with no spaces in front of or behind the email address, and that students select the correct name from the dropdown. Once students log in, they will be taken either to an assessment choice menu or directly into an assessment if they've only been assigned one assessment. Sometimes, depending on your computer settings, you may find that you're stuck in a student's Literably account and cannot get back to the main login page. If this happens, you can enter this URL in your web browser to force Literably to log out of that account and return to the login page. Now that we've covered how to log into Literably, please proceed to the next video on using the teacher dashboard.